Does climbing the stairs feel more like a mountain expedition than it used to? Do your legs tremble after just a short stroll? If so, you're not alone. For most people over 50, this isn't just getting older. It's one of the earliest signs of muscle loss, a silent condition that slowly chips away at your freedom and independence. But what if I told you there's one simple, everyday food you can eat to strengthen your legs, support your joints, and help you walk with power again, regardless of your age? By the end of this video, you'll discover exactly what this food is, why it works so well for seniors, and how you can easily add it to your daily meals. We're talking about rebuilding strength, protecting your knees, and keeping your legs firm and active well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. And no, this isn't about some overpriced supplement or a trendy, hard-to-find superfood. It's something you can grab at any grocery store, probably for less than your morning coffee. Here's the hard truth. After turning 50, most of us begin to lose up to 1% of our muscle mass every single year. Doctors call this sarcopenia. Now, 1% might not sound like much, but over a decade, that's a significant loss. Suddenly, walking feels exhausting. Standing up from a chair becomes a real effort, and those legs that once felt so strong now feel wobbly and unstable. You might even notice your balance isn't what it used to be, making you feel a little less confident on your feet. Think about it for a moment. Our legs are our foundation. They carry us to the kitchen for a cup of tea, up the stairs to bed, on walks with our family and grandkids. They are our ticket to experiencing the simple joys of daily life. But as we age, things like inflammation, less than ideal nutrition, and a more sedentary lifestyle quietly wear away at that foundational strength. But here's the good news, and it's really good news. Your body has an amazing capacity to rebuild. It just needs the right fuel. So, what is this one food that can genuinely help rebuild your leg muscles, reduce that morning stiffness, and keep your lower body strong even after 50? I'm going to reveal it in just a moment. But first, it is crucial to understand why so many diets and health plans for seniors fail to keep their legs strong. You see, the biggest reason older adults lose leg strength isn't just a lack of exercise. It is a lack of high-quality protein and specific minerals that directly feed your muscle tissues. So many people cut back on protein as they get older, thinking it's just for bodybuilders or young athletes. That is a huge mistake. Your muscles, especially the large ones in your legs, need a daily supply of protein to repair and rebuild themselves after even small activities like walking around the house or gardening. And this is where our star food comes in. Are you ready? It's eggs. Yes, the simple, humble, and incredibly affordable egg can be a complete game changer for your leg health. Let's break down why. Each egg is packed with about 6 to 7 grams of complete protein. Complete means it contains all 9 of the essential amino acids your muscles absolutely need to grow and repair themselves. But the magic doesn't stop with protein. Eggs also provide vitamin D, which is vital for muscle function, vitamin B12 for energy production, and choline, which helps your body efficiently use protein to build muscle. And that yolk, the part that has been unfairly criticized for years. It's actually the most powerful part of the egg. It's rich in healthy fats and nutrients like lecithin, which helps support the lubrication of your joints, and lutein, an antioxidant that helps fight inflammation. Put it all together, and these nutrients help your knees and hips move more smoothly, reducing that familiar stiffness and ache. So, how do you get the best results? Aim to eat 2 boiled or poached eggs every morning. To make it even more powerful, pair them with a source of healthy fiber, like a bowl of oatmeal or a slice of whole grain toast. This combination of protein and complex carbs gives your muscles sustained energy to power you through your day. Now, I know some of you might be vegan or simply don't eat eggs. Don't worry, I've got you covered. You can get very similar muscle-building benefits from other fantastic foods like lentils, tofu, or Greek yogurt. These are all rich in protein and also contain minerals like magnesium and potassium, which are essential for keeping your legs feeling firm and preventing cramps. And let's not forget about one of the simplest things: hydration. Dehydrated muscles are weaker and much more prone to cramping and fatigue. So, please aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. A great little tip is to add a tiny pinch of Himalayan salt to one of those glasses once in a while to help balance your electrolytes. For those who enjoy a bit of light exercise, you don't need a gym membership. Try adding simple leg lifts or seated squats while you're watching television. Just lift one leg at a time, hold for a few seconds, and lower it. It's that simple. The combination of this targeted nutrition and light, consistent activity creates a powerful effect, helping to rebuild muscle fibers that many people thought were gone for good. Just take a moment to think about it. Every single step you take, every walk you enjoy with your grandchild, every moment of your precious freedom starts with your legs. They have carried you through all of life's ups and downs. They absolutely deserve your care, not neglect. You owe it to yourself to stay strong, not just for you, but for the people who love you and still need you walking right beside them. So, remember that question I asked at the beginning? What's the one food that can rebuild leg strength even after 50? Now you know, it's the humble egg. It's not about expensive supplements or miracle powders. It's about natural, whole nutrition that has been supporting human strength for centuries. Add it to your breakfast, stay active, and I promise, in just a few weeks, you'll start to notice the changes. You'll feel firmer legs, better balance, and a wonderful sense of strength returning to every step you take. Your age doesn't define your strength, your daily habits do. Start with one simple change today. Eat protein-rich foods like eggs every morning. Move your body in a way that feels good, and watch your confidence and vitality return. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with a friend or family member who could use a little motivation. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more science-backed tips on staying strong, youthful, and independent, no matter your age. Because remember this, growing older is inevitable, but feeling weak is optional. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.